Today I'm replacing the AC hose on this Toyota Avanza. It's already leaking and starting to lose refrigerant. First, we'll cut the fitting sleeve using a grinder on both sides so the hose can be removed easily. Next, we'll remove the sleeve we just cut using a flat screwdriver and a hammer. Gently tap both sides until it comes off completely. Gently remove the hose from both fittings so we can measure exactly how long the new hose needs to be. Now we match the new AC hose with the old one to make sure the length is correct, not too long and not too short. Next, we prepare the crimp sleeve for the next process. Carefully insert the new hose and sleeve into the old fitting. Make sure the position is precise and the hose goes in to the correct depth.
Sudah.
Next, we move to the crimping process using a powerful hydraulic machine. This step must be precise to make sure there's no leak at all.
Tangan, Mas. Tanggawan, tanggawan.
And now the new AC hose is ready, perfectly crimped and finished. It's ready to be installed back into the car. If you've ever had a leaking AC hose, let me know in the comments. It might be our next topic.